Okay. Poor Esther, we're just getting the backside of her this time. But, well, like I said, we switch sides. I'll try moving around, but... Okay, stay where you are, girl. There she is. See, I wanted to catch her and show you that, see, she's already picking up stuff and chewing on it. Oh, there's Avalanche. Not too happy with the situation. But one of his hens is in here and he's not. Hey, buddy. Oh yeah, just like a baby, putting everything in her mouth. Was that scary? Good mama, always keeping an eye on her. Tired really easy.